Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I am going to guide you on how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone. Now, there may be few reasons on why this is happening. First thing you can do is check your updates. For that, you need to go on your settings. Now here, simply tap on General. And there, simply tap on Software Update. Now make sure your software is up to date. If not, then you can simply tap on Update Now. After that, another thing you can do is go back. And here simply scroll down and look for Face ID and passcode. Now tap over there. Before entering, you need to enter your passcode. Now here, make sure you have enabled the buttons for all of the features. Now if you scroll down a bit, there you can see Reset Face ID. You can tap over there. And after that, simply tap on Set up Face ID. Now here you need to simply set up your Face ID. Even after that, if it doesn't work, you can simply go back and simply go on General. And here at the end, you can simply tap on Shutdown. And after that, you can simply restart your phone. And these are some of the steps to fix Face ID not working on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.